A massive ethylene oxide EO reactor was transported from South Edmonton to the Heartland area near Fort Saskatchewan. This colossal piece of equipment measures 9.8 meters in width, 9.3 meters in height, and 141 meters in length, weighing an incredible 1,600,000 kilograms, 3,527,396 pounds. To move this giant, 832 wheels were utilized, ensuring safe and efficient transport. The EO reactor plays a critical role in petrochemical plants, transforming ethylene into ethylene oxide, an essential component in producing various chemicals. Submarine on the Neckar, an extraordinary sight. A German submarine normally designed for use on the high seas is transported on the Neckar. This unique transport requires specialized logistics and precise planning to move the submarine safely and efficiently across the river. The project highlights the challenge of transporting such heavy and complex objects across inland waters without endangering the infrastructure. SPMT with giant transformer rolling out of the port in Bavaria, demonstrating the superior power of super heavy transport technology, turning the seemingly impossible into reality perfectly.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Special transport of turbine parts, a complex logistics operation that demands precision and careful planning. The oversized and heavy turbine components require specialized transport equipment, ensuring safe and efficient delivery to their destination. The operation involves advanced machinery and skilled teams working together to manage challenges such as tight spaces, uneven terrain, and traffic regulations. This meticulous process ensures that the turbine parts arrive on time, ready for assembly and operation, contributing to energy production. On Friday, September 1st, a special convoy of vehicles made its way through the 6 communes of Gard-Rodanium, attracting a lot of attention. The convoy, which was carried out by the company Easttrans Exploitation, consisted of a trailer and a trolley, measuring almost 27 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 4 meters high, with a total weight of up to 170 tons. The vehicle carried a huge gas tank, not of the usual size, and its journey took it to Modane, a town in the Savoy region. a massive ethylene oxide EO reactor was transported from South Edmonton to the Heartland area near Fort Saskatchewan. This colossal piece of equipment measures 9.8 meters in width, 9.3 meters in height, and 141 meters in length, weighing an incredible 1,600,000 kilograms, 3,527,396 pounds. To move this giant, 832 wheels were utilized, ensuring safe and efficient transport. The EO reactor plays a critical role in petrochemical plants, transforming ethylene into ethylene oxide, an essential component in producing various chemicals.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Markham Moore Transport filmed on a heavy haulage route around Doncaster, South Yorkshire. As they transported the brewery stills, the Derbyshire-made consignments were delivered to the Molson Coors Brewery in Tadcaster, North Yorkshire. This specialized transport operation required careful planning and the use of customized equipment to safely move the large, heavy vessels. The process demonstrated the precision and expertise involved in handling the oversized consignments, ensuring timely and safe delivery to the brewery. On the 15th of October 2023, Prestige Building Removals, PBR, based in Hamilton, New Zealand, was tasked with relocating a 1910s mansion in the small town of Ngaruawahia in the Waikato region. The mansion's destination was approximately 4 kilometers north of its original location, so PBR was allowed to move the mansion intact as the distance was not too long. At 10:30 p.m. on the 15th of October, the PBR team began the relocation. The process involved preparing and protecting the mansion from external influences throughout the trip. They used special transport vehicles to ensure the structure was safely relocated. Although the distance was only 4 kilometers, relocating a mansion with an ancient structure required absolute caution, especially when transporting through narrow roads and with many factors to control. In the middle of a snowstorm, Transport Gervais logging truck, a massive Volvo FH 1665, struggles to move forward on a nearly invisible road. The wind is blowing violently, the snow is swirling, making every meter traveled a challenge. Visibility is zero, and the ice is turning the journey into a nightmare. Every second counts, but the driver remains calm, gritting his teeth, determined not to give in to the storm.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Surely when watching this video, you will wonder why there is an 18-wheeler truck in the middle of such a muddy field. Oh my God, did he get lost? Did he go off track or something? Or did the GPS system send him off course? It was quite a strange situation for me to see an 18-wheeler truck in the middle of such a muddy field. The P&HL 2350 wheel loader, used for surface mining, is manufactured by Komatsu Limited and holds the Guinness World Record for biggest earth mover. Seen here leaving Perth, Western Australia, it is being transported by Regal Transport using a tri-drive Kenworth. This massive machine, known for its impressive size and power, plays a crucial role in large-scale mining operations, and its transport requires specialized equipment to safely move it over long distances, showcasing extraordinary logistics expertise. Transporting a 450-ton transformer on the M74 slope was a challenging task that required careful preparation. With its large weight and enormous size, the transformer was moved by specialized trucks, equipped with special support systems to ensure safety. Engineers in the operating team meticulously calculated factors such as slope, terrain, and traffic conditions, completing the work on schedule, ensuring absolute safety for both the transformer and the surrounding environment. Filmed between A1 Markham Moore and Caunton Knots, in 2009, ALE transported components for the Staithorpe Power Station project. This large-scale operation involved the movement of heavy and oversized equipment across challenging routes. The team utilized specialized vehicles and techniques to ensure the safe delivery of key parts, contributing to the construction of the power station. The project showcased ALE's expertise in handling complex logistical challenges, ensuring all components were transported efficiently and on time.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
That is a tight turn, isn't it?
Exceptional convoy in Lunaville, a large-scale transport operation carried out with remarkable precision. Thanks to cutting-edge technologies and meticulous planning, the convoy crosses the city safely, respecting strict safety and regulatory standards. Each stage of the journey is carefully coordinated to minimize the impact on traffic and ensure efficiency. The use of specialized vehicles and adapted equipment makes it possible to transport heavy and bulky loads without compromise. An impressive example of advanced logistics in Lunaville. On Thursday, February 9th, 2023, a remarkable and extraordinary convoy of trucks passed through the Jura region of France, attracting the attention of locals and onlookers. The convoy, huge transport operation, began its journey from China in December 2022, traveling thousands of kilometers through several countries before reaching its destination. The Einabin Company, located near Tavo, an important industrial site and a key part of the operations of the chemical giant Solvay. Exceptional convoy in France crossing La Ferté-Vidal. remotely controlled with precision down to the nearest centimeter by LCD Prod FIAR. This cutting-edge technology allows for highly accurate maneuvering, ensuring seamless navigation through the challenging terrain. The convoy's movement is meticulously controlled using advanced remote systems, offering unmatched safety and efficiency. LCD Prod FIAR's expertise in remote control solutions makes this operation a model of precision and innovation, setting new standards in logistical operations. A remarkable feat of modern engineering where technology meets flawless execution.
There we go. Okay.
You are real street magicians, making me bow my head in respect. Your performances are so interesting and unbelievable, just like the miracles we can achieve thanks to the intelligence and creativity of engineers in the field of wind energy. I have never seen such an impressive means of transportation. It is admirable, especially how can this machine stand upright under the weight of those giant blades? It is a feat of technology and engineering, demonstrating the perfect combination of science, patience, and innovation. Looking at these giant vehicles, I feel the importance of renewable energy and the constant efforts of humans to protect and develop a sustainable living environment for future generations. So the journey with the huge cargo is complete. But don't forget, every touch, every step contains adventure and meticulousness. We cannot be careless, must always be vigilant, because just a small mistake can change everything. Remember to fasten your seatbelt and never blink when facing a big challenge. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next trips.